PP405 Hair Loss Treatment Review. Real effectiveness or just marketing hype? Hair loss. Millions struggle with it, and every year brings a new miracle solution. But is the 2025 PP405 hair loss treatment the real deal or just another marketing gimmick? Today we're diving deep into its ingredients, science, user reviews, and results to find out if it's truly effective or just hype. PP405 is a topical serum launched earlier this year claiming to stimulate dormant follicles, block DHT, and promote regrowth in just 8 weeks. It's marketed as a non-invasive alternative to transplants and prescription meds. Among its key ingredients would be redansil, biotin, saw palmetto extract, caffeine, and nano-capsulated peptides. Ingredients aren't new, but PP405 claims its delivery system is what sets it apart. So let's look at the science. Redansil and saw palmetto are known to help reduce hair loss by targeting DHT and stimulating stem cells in the follicle. PP405 uses a nanocapsule delivery system to penetrate deeper into the scalp. But is that enough? Clinical studies cited by the brand show a 32% increase in hair density over 12 weeks, but these studies were small and funded by the manufacturer. Independent trials still pending. We scored forums, Reddit, and YouTube for real user feedback, and here's what we found. Saw baby hairs in 6 weeks, less shedding after 2 weeks, and smells great and easy to apply. But among its negative reviews would be no change after 3 months, cause scalp irritation, and too expensive for the results. Results seem mixed. Some swear by it, others call it snake oil, so what's the verdict? PP405 isn't a miracle, but it's not a total hype either. If you're early in your hair loss journey and want a non-invasive option, it might be worth trying, but just don't expect overnight miracles.